Good morning children. Today I am here for a craft activity. But before we start, I want you to guess what we are going to do today. It's black, it's squeaky and it runs around in the night. Not able to? Don't worry, I will give you another clue. Now tell me, if Ganesha wants to travel from one place to another, how would he do that? Which animal would he sit on and travel? Yes, you are right. It's a rat. Today we are going to learn to make this cute little rat. Things required are a long and broad black strip of KG sheet, 2 big black circles and 2 small pink circles, self-made eyes, or you can also use googly eyes, 3 thin strips to make whiskers, 1 thin strip to make the tail. Take the long, broad black strip, stick the 2 ends together, applying glue like this. Now let's make the ears. First place the bigger black circle and then the pink ones. Next are the eyes. I have made the eyes by myself. You can also make them or use googly eyes. It's almost done. Another 2 steps. Let's stick the whiskers. A slanting line, another slanting line. Doesn't it look like an X? Now let's put a sleeping line. And this small pink circle for the cute little nose. Last thing, the tail. Let's place the tail. This tail is straight. Let's curl it with the pen like this. Isn't he cute? Let's name him Chuppy. You can make it, name it and play with it.